Welcome to our channel.
News?
What is it? Tell me, hello. I'm going to pick me.
It's raining, it's falling.
Mommy, I have an idea. Let's pray for God so it won't rain anymore.
Hi guys, and we are going now to our picnic. We have inside there. This is what we had in our bag. Hi Emma. What are you watching?
A Garfield.
Oh, and Jacob, what are you watching?
A Wally.
Why? You're watching different movies. So let's go. Fortunately guys, it rains, but still we pursue of going for picnic because we promise our kids.
We'll have picnic near the water.
Near the water, hooray! Because it's raining a lot, so we decided to eat inside here. Jacob here looking at the boat since we cannot go out. Say hi, Jacob. Hi. The boat is coming. Look. Look at there. The boat is coming. Stay there, okay? See, you will see the boat. Look at there. The bridge is open. The bridge. See, look at that.
Yep, it's actually going back.
Guys, the picnic is over, so we are going out from here and we are going to drive through the forest as well and the fields.
And we're going
So,
to eat. And we're going to eat there little.
Okay.
Kanske vi stannar en gång till.
Where's Jacob there? Say hi.
Hi.
For more videos guys, please click like, subscribe, and thank you. Time na.
Please like